I'm back with some more geometry. And this one, once again, it's using a circle, square, triangle. As you can see here, circle with a triangle. There's the square. And it's about finding the 5 in here, using that configuration. And also it's about finding the 7, which I'll get to after. So to find the 5, right, using this configuration, you draw a line from the corner of the triangle to the opposite corner of the square. And from the other corner of the triangle, draw a line to the opposite corner of the square. And where those two intersect, and those two lines intersect, draw a line, and that will give you the top of the 5. And then within that triangle, on the horizontal axis, from that point where the horizontal axis crosses the edge of the triangle, from that point to that point, from that point to that point, it'll give you the top of the 5, 108 degrees. And then the rest of the 5, you can find, I've shown this before, you simply take that measurement with your drawing compass and you go to there and you mark a point. Same thing from that side. You take that measurement, mark a point there, and then you take those two with your drawing compass, those 2 points, and you mark one like that, and you mark one like this, and they'll give you the 2 other ends of the 5. And then you fill it out, and you've got your pentagon, the 5. So that's how you get the 5, using circle, square, triangle in this configuration where the triangle fits in the square, or sorry, the triangle fits in the circle and the square fits in the circle. Okay, so that is how you find a 5 using circle, square, triangle. Okay, this one. This is really cool. I had not found this one before using this method. Okay, that little measurement. So, in fact, for this one, you don't need the square, but I started off using this format, and this is how I found this. Okay, so yeah, so for this one, you need the circle and you need the triangle. And when you go from the corner of the triangle to its midpoint on the base, okay, you get that measurement. That measurement on this circle will give you 7. It'll give you 7 points on the perimeter. like that. Mark those. Those. You'll see they're all the same distance here. So that's how easy it is. And the sevens are like by far the most difficult to find without using a very, advanced protractor or, some other very advanced computer technology or something like that. I mean, just with a drawing compass, a straight edge, just basic essential geometry, Renaissance style, if you will. How do you find a seven? And it's really interesting that I can't believe like that's how easy it was when I found this. I mean, I found other methods and I've shared those, but this, I think, by far is the easiest. It's just simply going from the corner of the triangle to its midpoint at the base, right? And that's your measurement you need to go around the circle. And that gives you 7 points to get your septagon or a heptagon, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it a 7 here. And so without the circle and the square, erasing all that stuff, then you get left with the 7 and the 5. And I left the little upper half of the triangle in there just because it happens to be the exact distance within the 5 here. So there we are. That's it for this one.